Hello everyone and welcome to science lecture. Today we are here to start a new chapter called sound. Sound. What is sound, children? We all hear sound, we all produce sound, but actually what is this sound? We'll learn in detail in this chapter. Sound is a form of energy that can be heard and travels in waves. When matter vibrates or moves back and forth very quickly, a sound is made. So a sound is produced when a matter vibrates. Vibration means back and forth movement of any object. Any matter, when it moves back and forth quickly, we say that it is vibrating. And due to vibration, sound is produced. Sound waves can travel through solids, liquids, or gases. For example, when a school bell rings, parts of the bell will vibrate, creating sound. So, sounds are caused by vibrations, and vibrations are considered as a disturbance that travels through a medium. This vibratory motion causes energy to transfer to our ears and is interpreted by our brain. This vibration can be observed in different type of musical instruments which produce sound. If we observe carefully different musical instruments, we will find that the sound produced by these instruments are due to the vibration of one or the other part of them. For example, percussion instruments. These are the instruments where sound is produced by striking or beating the surface of instrument. Beating or striking causes the vibration which in turn produces a sound. Different examples of percussion instruments are drum, congo, tabla, bongo, dhol. In all these examples, we have to hit the surface which produces the sound. Another type of musical instruments are called as string instruments like banjo, violin, piano, guitar. In all these cases, sound is produced by vibrating strings which produce musical tones. So here again, what is vibrating? A string. Then we have wind instruments. Music produced on wind instrument comes from the vibration of air through the instrument. We can approximate most wind instruments as cylindrical tubes through which air is blown. So usually we have a cylindrical tube in this musical instrument where we blow in air. When we blow in air, here, because they are confined to a cylindrical tube, there is vibration of air. And due to vibration of air column, the sound is produced. In the same way, sound is produced in human beings due to vibration only. Yes, children. Sound produced in human beings is also due to vibration. Vibration of what? In human, sound is produced by the voice box or larynx. It is the upper part of the windpipe. As you can see here, the windpipe. The upper part of the windpipe is called as larynx or voice box. What is special about this part? There are two vocal cords present. What do you mean by vocal cords? Vocal cords are nothing but there are two stretched membranes. They are tightly stretched membranes which are having a narrow slit in between them. As you can see here, here two membranes are there having a slit, having a gap in between. So when the lungs force air through the slit, it vibrates and produces sound. So when we are speaking, we are forcing air to pass through this slit, and due to that the vocal cords vibrate and that vibration produces sound. You can see here also, this is showing the part of larynx where two stretched membranes are there which are called as vocal cords, and when we are speaking, these vocal cords are vibrating, and due to vibration sound is produced. So this is how sound is produced by different objects due to vibration of one or the other.